For social,
one friend that's not here with the A.
yeah. For social studies, here's our target. It says, I can compare and contrast different places in our community. So what that means is you can tell what are the same about places and what is different about places. So well, here's what I'm looking for. That you can describe local places in Grand Island. And that you can tell how two places in the same category are the same and different. So here's our first one. How are Stoley Park and Hall County Park the same? Do you guys recognize those from your community? Yeah.
Where did you find them? Instagram?
And then what? There before.
Where did you find them? Instagram?
No. Okay, how are they the same?
Them look the same.
How are they the same? There are some things about them that are the same. What are some things we noticed that are the same? Herlinda?
They're both parks.
They are both parks. Herlinda, what do you notice that's the same? The swing. Are there swings over there?
Yeah, there is.
Okay.
Like did I think?
And
But
then,
they're in the back of it. They're in the other.
oh, okay, I see. What is something else about these two parks that is the same? Bentley, what is something you noticed that's the same
They
about
both have
these?
slides.
They do both have slides. Thank you, Mia. Bentley, what's something that's the same about these?
They're both outside.
Yeah, they're both outside. Now, we have a lot of things about them that are the same. What about these parks? How are they different? What do you notice about them that is different? Mila?
That they're at different places.
Yeah, they're at different places in the community. What else is different about them? Herlinda?
The triangle.
Oh yeah, one has two
There's
triangles, right? And the other one just has one on the top. You guys see that right on the top?
Because there's three. Do you see that one in the back?
Mm-hmm.
Do you see that one in the back of the red?
Yeah,
The gray one. There's three.
yeah.
Actually, make that 4 because there's.
What is something else we noticed that's different between these two? Leah?
They're the one of them are bigger.
One looks a lot bigger, doesn't it? And one
One of them
looks
are big.
smaller. Yeah. So
Yeah.
we are comparing, we're finding what is the same, and we're contrasting by finding what is different. All right, here comes the next one. You ready? How are Autumn Park apartments and these houses the same?
That's my apartment.
Those are your
No,
apartments.
that is not fun. Yeah, the one with the. What? Why did you choose my apartment? I feel special.
Aw, what about these places is the same? How are these apartments and
I
these
know
houses?
something about. I know it's different.
Okay, well then wait till the difference. Galilea, what is something about these places that are the same?
I'm not gonna read
Because the other one doesn't have leaves, and the other one has leaves.
Oh, let's look at what we can see that's the same. What do we observe about them that's the same?
Let me see. Well, I see I don't know.
Want somebody to help you? Let's see. Okay. Mia, would you like to help her? What is something about the apartments and the houses that are the same?
One of the houses are like split apart and the other one's not. What? Yeah.
That's not a way that they're different, right? Is the apartments are connected together and the houses are separated.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's something that's different about them. Does anybody notice something that's the same? Mila?
That they both have trees.
There's both, yeah, they both have trees around them. What else do they both have? For them to be the same, they have to both have something.
And there's no leaves.
Let's look at the buildings. What do you notice about the buildings that's the same? Aminta, what do you notice about the buildings that's the same? What's on top of them?
There's like a dingber. That's Nebraska.
Yeah, that's in Grand Island, Nebraska. They both have a.
Oh, I live there.
I know.
I have I'm still in California. I'm gonna go back to Nebraska and I'm gonna watch you after I'm in a plane. My
Okay.
dad is here. Actually.
Yeah, if you were in a plane, you could see the top of the houses.
There's some. Oh, that's like this.
Roof. Yeah, they all have a roof. And you want to know something else that you can't see, but something that we know is people live in these. So people live in apartments and people live in houses. So that's something that's the same. And you guys gave lots of differences about them. That some of them are connected together and the other ones are apart. That some of them have parking lots and some of them have their own little driveway. So those are some things that are the same and different. We're comparing and contrasting, right? Here comes the next one. Are you ready? How are these businesses the same and different? Do you guys recognize those places?
I don't. That's the mall and that's a store.
Yeah, it's the
I went to Super.
yeah, it's the Conestoga Mall and Super
I
Sable.
only know one Super Mall.
So what is something about them that's the same? Let's think about something that is the
I
same.
got a good one.
Okay, Leia. Oh, sorry. Try again. There you go.
You muted me.
I didn't mean to. What is something about these two places that's the same?
What's the same is oh, they're both, what do you call that word again? Okay, they're both like, they're both places where you can buy stuff.
Yes,
And
they're
a lot of people go there.
yeah, they're both places where you can buy things.
And they're community.
Now, what about them is different? Arlinda, what about them is different?
Different food.
One you can get food and the other one you get what? What can you buy at the mall?
clothes.
Yeah, one of them you go to buy clothes and the other one you go to buy food. So they're a little bit different, right? So that is comparing and contrasting two different things that might be the same. So sometimes they're the same and sometimes they're different. So we compared and contrasted different parks. We can compare and contrast different homes, and we can compare and contrast different businesses. Awesome job. Let's see if we met our target. It says, I can compare and contrast different places in our community. So did you guys describe the places? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Yeah. And can you tell me how the two places are the same and different? Awesome job.